So mga kaibigan, na-reach na po natin ang Pagudpud. Pagudpud is a Sublime 4th class municipality. Another 4th class municipality here in Ilocos Norte. So meaning the municipality is earning 34 or 25 million to 34 million per year. Ito po ang Pagudpud. Tinatawag nilang Boracay of the North. So it became a municipality on July 5, 1954. At nung 2010, there are about 22,000 people ang nakatira dito sa Pagudpud. Alright, actually this is 561 kilometers north of Manila at sinayin din silang Piat sa Cagayan. Pag tatahakin nyo ang Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya Road. So sinlayo siya ng Piat, Cagayan. Thank you.